Hi, welcome to all viewers. Let us study about the Nernst equation. तो आज हम पढ़ा जाऊँ कौन Nernst equation. This is the most important part of the electrochemistry which help to find out the electrode potential or cell potential at a non-standard condition. Electrode potential or cell potential at a non-standard condition. So before going to Nernst equation, first you know that what do you mean by electrode potential? Electrode potential. What do you mean by electrode potential? Electrode potential means the tendency to lose or gain electron. Tendency to lose or gain electron. गोटे जेकोसी इलेक्ट्रोड जेकोसी मेटल दे हैव द टेंडेंसी टू गेन और लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन. फॉर एग्जांपल suppose copper, they have tendency to gain electron, they have also tendency to lose electron, depend upon the other electrode. Okay, depend upon the other electrode which is more reactive. The more reactive element always lose electron and less reactive element gain electron. जेमती कि हमें गोटे जहाँ पाखे बहुत पैसा अच्छे से किसी डोनेट करुच्ची, जहाँ पाखे पैसा नहीं से तार मंदिर आगे बसिकी गेन करुच्ची. जस्ट लाइक दैट द मोर रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट they always lose electron, mean undergoes oxidation, and the less reactive element always gain electron, mean undergoes reduction. Tendency to lose or gain electron are called electrode potential. Electrode potential are two types. One is oxidation potential and reduction potential. Oxidation potential means tendency to lose electron, Reduction potential means tendency to gain electron, Tendency to lose electron, reduction potential means tendency to gain electron. Okay, यार होची जे कि इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करिवार टेंडेंसी रहले तो ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल कहबा. जदि जनकर गेन करिवार टेंडेंसी रहउची देन दैट इज कॉल्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल. देन व्हाट इज सेल पोटेंशियल or EMF of the cell potential. E cell means the difference of the tendency of lose or gain electron in between two electrode, mean cathode and anode. So E cell equal to electrode potential of the reduction potential of the cathode, reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. Okay, if you go to oxidation potential, then oxidation potential of anode minus oxidation potential of cathode. But the maximum question always the SRP value means reduction potential value are given, so that we find out the electrode reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. That is the cell potential. Okay, so electrode potential means tendency to lose or gain electron. Electrode potential means tendency to lose or gain electron. The tendency to lose electron are called oxidation potential, tendency to gain electron are called reduction potential, and cell potential the difference between the two electrodes. mean the reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. This is all about the electrode potential. Then we go to the standard electrode potential. Okay, you can take it the screenshot. Then we go to the standard electrode potential. Standard electrode potential. Okay, standard electrode potential. Standard electrode potential. What do you mean by the standard electrode potential? Standard electrode potential means electrode potential means the loser gain electron. But what do you mean by standard? That is a condition. Standard means that is a condition. What? Which condition are known as the standard? जब जहाँ घर गोटे ऑडी कार अच्छी कि जहाँ घर गोटे 10 ताला बिल्डिंग अच्छी गोटे स्टांडार्ड घर कहूँ सेमती ये गोटे कंडीशन मेंटेन हेल्ले आम स्टांडार्ड कंडीशन कहूँ से कंडीशन जब आम इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल को मेजर करूँ दैट इज कॉल्ड स्टांडार्ड कंडीशन आम फोर्सफुली क्या डोनेट करने बाध्य करूँ तार गोटे स्टांडार्ड को लेकिन से तार डोनेट कर कैपेसिटी अच्छी सेमती गोटे स्टांडार्ड कंडीशन आम जब मेजर करूँ स्टांडार्ड कंडीशन बोले कौन 3टा जिनस स्टांडार्ड कंडीशन वन इज टेम्परेचर अनदर वन इज प्रेशर another one is concentration. Step एठी ना कार देखिबा ना बिल्डिंग देखिबा ना कार प्रॉपर्टी देखिबा आम एठी देखु केवल टेम्परेचर प्रेशर एंड कंसंट्रेशन. इफ टेम्परेचर इज 298 केल्विन or 25 degree Celsius, then you say that why it is taken as the 298 Kelvin. Why 298 Kelvin nala? Amar the 273 Kelvin 0 degree Celsius को नहीं है absolute value. But at the room temperature, we generally measure at the room temperature. Room temperature are taken as the 25 degree Celsius or 298 Kelvin. Pressure taken as 1 atm pressure. 1 atm pressure. Concentration is 1 m concentration. 1 molar concentration. Mean 1 mol solute dissolved in 1 liter solution. If this condition maintained, then this electrode potential are called the standard electrode potential. Okay, that is called E node. E node potential always suppose E node Zn2 plus upon Zn. Mean that is standard. This node represent to standard. Suppose equal to minus 0.76 volt. That is equal to standard. Okay, this node always represent to standard. Then question arises whether it is oxidation potential and it is reduction potential. ये जो value देला ये oxidation potential या reduction potential value दीची. देखो it is Zn2 plus aqueous convert to Zn. Mean it is Zn first the ion formation Zn2 plus convert to Zn. Mean it gain electron. As it gain electron, so it undergoes the reduction potential. Reduction potential. If the question is given that E Zn solid upon Zn2 plus equal to 0.76 volt, then you observe that this Zn convert to Zn2 plus mean it will lose electron. यदि ये इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करूची सेतबे एटा होची तार ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल. इफ नोड मेंटेन देन स्टैंडर्ड ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल. इफ नोड आर नॉट रिप्रेजेंट देन दैट इज द ओनली electrode potential. It is non-standard condition. Non-standard condition mean temperature are not equal to 298, pressure not equal to 1 atm or concentration not equal to 1 m. Any one of the are not maintained, then that is called non-standard condition. सेटा को हम कौन कहूँ नॉन स्टैंडर्ड कंडीशन कहूँ. आ गोटे जिन मन रख सपोज इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल ऑफ Zn सॉरी रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ऑफ Zn इज इक्वल टू माइनस 0.76 वोल्ट बट ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल इज 0.76 वोल्ट. मीन जस्ट एडिटिव इनवर्स. जनकर ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल जी तार एडिटिव इनवर्स होची रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल. सपोज जनकर ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल x वोल्ट रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल माइनस x वोल्ट. रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल y वोल्ट ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल माइनस y वोल्ट. ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल minus 3 volt, reduction potential just 3 volt. Means just the additive inverse. Okay. Clear about the standard electrode potential. Like that standard cell potential, anode cell equal to anode reduction potential of cathode minus anode reduction potential of anode. Okay. Means standard reduction potential of cathode minus standard reduction potential of anode. That is called standard cell potential. But the main of the Nernst equation to find out the electrode potential at a non-standard condition, because the standard electrode potential always given in the question, always given in your electrochemical series, that is measured by the experimentally using the SHE or NHE single hydrogen को electrode को measure करिकी ताको पूरे standard value जेटा अच्छी तुम्हें चाहिए मने रख परियो चाहिए टेबल देछि क्वेश्चन भी सब गिवन थाए तो ताको मने रखवा दरकार बेनी किंतु उडा में नॉन स्टैंडर्ड कंडीशन आमे तो सब 25 डिग्री मेंटेन कर परियोनी होय हमको 30 डिग्री रे एक्सपेरिमेंट करिवार अछि हमको सब नहीं कि 1 m कंसंट्रेशन लो जिबार अछि हमको 0.01 m कंसंट्रेशन लो बाहर करिवार अछि यदि नॉन स्टैंडर्ड कंडीशन लो जळ कर इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल मेजर करिवार अछि देन यूज द Nernst equation, then use Nernst equation. So what do you mean by the Nernst equation? Nernst equation means to calculate the electrode potential, to calculate the electrode potential to calculate the electrode potential at non-standard electrode potential or maybe cell potential at a non-standard condition. Non-standard condition. What do you mean by non-standard condition? Non-standard condition mean what? Temperature not equal to 298 Kelvin, pressure not equal to 1 atm pressure, or concentration not equal to 1 m. Any one of them are not satisfied to standard condition, then you can find out the electrode potential of the any electrode at a non-standard condition. Then we know that work done by the cell or any electrode potential W equal to Q into V. Q mean represent to charge, V mean represent to voltage. You know that, you just remember in the galvanic cell को just टिके मने पकोची. Suppose हमर थिला सेठी at anode कोन होतला ना Zn solid changes to Zn2 plus 2 electron. Zn2 plus Zn2 electron. So how the equation will be said? Equation को जदि हमें कहिबा केमति का कहिबा means when 1 mole Zn converted to 1 mole Zn2 plus by lose of 2 mole electron. 2 mole electron. ओके जदि हमें Zn सॉलिड टा Zn2 प्लस को कन्वर्ट होची सेतबेले से कन्वर्ट कर केतेटा लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन करची 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन हमको लगछ जे 1 Zn सॉलिड gives to 2 electron, but in the chemical reaction always taken calculated as the mole in the stoichiometry calculation. Mean 1 mole its coefficient is 1 mole Zn solid converted to 1 mole Zn2 plus and 2 mole electron. Suppose that cathode Cu2 plus 2 electron mean converted to Cu mean 1 mole Cu2 plus gain 2 mole electron, and the charge of 1 electron equal to what? Charge of 1 electron equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19, 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Then charge of 1 mole electron, charge of 1 mole electron equal to this 1 mole electron equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 into 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19. Can I gote electron charge ho 1.60 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Charge of 1 mole electron, 1 mole means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 into charge of 1 electron equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. इला मल्टीप्लाई कला होती 96500 coulomb or 1 farad. So as the charge of 1 mole electron equal to 1 farad, then charge ball of 2 mole electron equal to what? 2 farad. यदि चार्ज ऑफ 1 मोल इलेक्ट्रॉन टा 1 फैराड हैला देन चार्ज ऑफ 2 मोल इलेक्ट्रॉन केते आसीबो ऑब्वियसली 2 फैराड. So that when the n mole electron flow in the cell, then charge q equal to what? चार्ज तो यदि 1 मोल है 1 फैराडे, 2 मोल है 2 फैराडे. If n number of mole of electron will fall, okay, if n mole electron flow in the circuit, flow in the cell, then the charge q equal to what? N farad. Then you know that V means voltage, which represent to cell potential. E cell which represent what? E cell. Okay, that is charge equal to Nf. Then V mean voltage, that is E cell. So that W equal to Q रे वैल्यू क्या चला Nf into E cell. Okay, W equal to Nf into E cell. Clear? Up to this is the most important things. Then by using this we can calculate the del G. Then by using the del G we can calculate the non-Nernst equation. We can derive the non-Nernst equation. So you remember that W equal to Nf E cell. Then you can write or you can take a screenshot. Okay. Then we find out W equal to Nf E cell. Then W equal to Nf E cell. Then we know that W equal to minus del G. Del G represent to, del G mean what? Change of free energy. Change of free energy. Change of free energy. Change of free energy. Okay. W mean minus del G mean change of free energy. Means change of free energy means the energy converted to work, the amount of energy which converted to work, that is called what? That is called what? Change of free energy. That is called change of free energy. Okay. Change of free energy means the energy, available energy converted to work. So W equal to minus del G. So here you know that W equal to minus Nf E cell. So that minus Nf E cell equal to minus del G. Mean del G equal to del G equal to minus Nf E cell. Okay, del G equal to minus Nf E cell. Del G means change of free energy at a non-standard condition. Non-standard condition. Say like that. Like that. Del G node. Del G node equal to Nf E node cell. Del G node mean change of free energy at standard condition. Change of free energy at standard condition. Standard condition. Change of free energy at a standard condition. That is called del G node equal to Nf E node cell. Okay. Then from thermodynamic equation, which you are reading first year, thermodynamic equation. Dynamic equation, we know that कौन जानते हो? फ्रॉम थर्मोडायनामिक इक्वेशन वी नो दैट del G equal to del G node plus RT ln Q. Del G mean we have already mentioned change of free energy at a non-standard condition. Del G node mean change of free energy at a standard condition. R mean gas constant. R mean gas constant. Whose value equal to 8.314 joule per mole into Kelvin, or mole joule into mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Gas universal gas constant. T means temperature. Q means reaction coefficient, which you are read in chemical equilibrium. Reaction coefficient. Reaction coefficient. So by the putting of the value of del G and del G node, putting the value of del G and del G node we get कौन पाइबू? del G रा वैल्यू केते थिला माइनस NF ई सेल. del G रा वैल्यू केते थिला माइनस NF ई सेल. माइनस NF ई सेल इक्वल टू del G नॉट रा वैल्यू माइनस NF ई नोड सेल प्लस RT ln Q plus RT ln Q. By dividing NF cell in both side, by dividing NF in both side we get minus NF E cell divided by minus NF equal to minus NF inode cell divided by minus NF plus RT ln Q divided by minus NF. Then minus NF cancel, minus NF cancel, so that E cell equal to inode cell plus minus RT ln Q by NF. This is the Nernst equation. By simplifying, okay, by simplifying more, then you can simplify. Then if temperature is 298, pressure equal to 1 atm, but concentration not equal to 1 m. Then by putting the value of R, T and F, putting the value of R, T and F, we get what? Now E cell equal to inode cell minus R value कते ना 8.314 into 2 है 298 Kelvin divided by N F होची 96500 into RT ln Q. तो लॉन को जिते लॉग को कन्वर्ट करवा, लॉन है नेशनल लॉगारिथम, ताकू नॉर्मल जनरल लॉगारिथम को कन्वर्ट कले कौन ना 2.303 इंटू करिया पड़े. सो ई सेल इक्वल टू इनोड सेल माइनस 8.314 इंटू 298 इंटू 2.303 divided by n into 96500 96500 into log converted to log q then याकू जदि आम कैलकुलेशन करूचे वैल्यू पाउचे ई सेल इक्वल टू इनोड सेल माइनस 0.059 divided by n log q. This is the final non-nest equation. Then how derive the q? Okay, then you take a screenshot. That is the derivation of non-nest equation, most important derivation for your CHS exam, for your CBSE exam and all other exam. And the application is the most important in every type of entrance. यार application याको यूज करी प्रॉब्लम बहुत ही आसीबो जेटा हमें नेक्स्ट क्लास को पढ़िबो तो जो एप्लीकेशन ऑफ नॉन-नेस्ट इक्वेशन तार प्रॉब्लम करिबो या फार्मूला को यूज करके then first you know that what do you mean by q mean the reaction quotient. You know that from equilibrium equation. First suppose in a cell reaction Zn solid plus Cu2 plus converted to Cu solid plus Zn2 plus aqueous. Then K equal to what? Or QC equal to concentration of Zn solid into concentration of Cu2 plus aqueous divided by concentration of Cu solid into concentration of Zn2 plus aqueous. You know that in solid state concentration is what? 1. In solid state the concentration of Zn solid and concentration of Cu solid equal to 1. So that Q equal to concentration of Cu2 plus divided concentration of Zn2 plus. Mean the reduction part Cu2 plus mean reduction part. Here is the Cu2 plus, Cu undergoes reduction, Cu2 plus undergoes reduction and Zn undergoes oxidation. Reduction by oxidation. So problem the reduction. So finally you can write that E cell equal to inode cell minus 0.0591 by n log q. Okay, this is the final non-nest equation. बहुत easy. इतने भी जदि बुझी होनी then you can write in the comment section or you watch 3 to 4 times to my video, 3 to 4 times. Okay, then you can clearly understand. If you cannot understand then you can write in the comment section. And if you like my video or my teaching process then you can like, subscribe and share more and more. Okay, thank you.